Hello everybody. For today's video, I will show you some necessary points you have to know when you work with the Datadog. Okay, this is the agenda today. I will show you how to set up the Datadog, how to write a log to the Datadog by using the .NET Core, and how to search the log in the Datadog. How to build the Datadog dashboard, and the last one is how to join the logs with the chart. Okay, let's go ahead to the first item. To register the Datadog, you can go to the datadog.com and click to the free trial button to register. You can set up with your Google. You have to enter email, company name, and phone number to set up. Okay, I already did it, and you have the about 14 days trial day. For the first time you go to the log, you will be navigated to this screen and click to the server. First of all, I use .NET, so click here and click to here. Now I will use the Log. Okay. And I will use this to write the log to the Datadog. Okay, next we will write the log to the Datadog by using the .NET Core. So you can write the control applications with the .NET Core. You can and select the C#, select the control, and write the new control application. Okay, I already did it here. And now you have to install some NuGet package. For this document, you have to install some package like Log since above. Let I show you all the package I already installed. Here I installed some log setting configuration and some log since Datadog log file, and some Azure package maintenance. Okay, now I will follow up the Datadog document to get the API key. You can go to the Datadog, go to the settings, the API keys, click here and click copy. I click here. For the source, you can try any source name you want. Service, some any service name, and you can type the host in your computer or anything localhost you want in the text. Okay, so I will write this object to the Datadog by using log information, and because the log information only allow the string, so I have to convert my object to string by using the Python converter. Python converter, I add more property. Alright. And now I will wire back to you run this process. You see. Yes, successful. And I will check on the Datadog. So here, go to blog and search